Morgan, let me hear Pepper. Do you think your brother's so funny? Okay, now fall down near her. Oh, not on her. Morgan, get off her.
My hair.
Hi. Ah, la 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 la. Okay, now fall down near her, not on her. Oh well. Pepper did laugh at Morgan's jumping. It was cute. Yeah. Okay. Bye.